Unraveling the Mystery of Love Struck, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language and idioms. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and romantic expression, love struck. Whether you're a seasoned English speaker or just starting out, understanding these phrases can add a lot of color to your conversations. So, let's get started and find out what it means to be love struck. Love struck is an adjective that vividly describes a person who is deeply in love. Imagine being struck or hit by an arrow of love. That's the essence of this phrase. It implies a sudden, intense, and often overwhelming feeling of love towards someone. This term is commonly used to describe the initial stages of romantic attraction, where a person might feel almost dazed or enchanted by their feelings. The concept of being struck by love is not new. It dates back to ancient mythologies, like that of Cupid, the Roman god of love. According to the myth, Cupid would shoot arrows to make people fall in love. So, when we say someone is love-struck, it's like they've been hit by Cupid's arrow. This idiom is a great example of how historical and cultural references shape our language. To understand how to use love-struck in everyday conversation, let's look at some examples. 1. Ever since he met her, he's been completely love-struck. Here, it's used to describe someone who has recently fallen in love. 2. You can tell by the way he looks at her that he's love-struck. This sentence shows how someone's actions or expressions can reveal their feelings. 3. The love-struck couple spent hours talking on the phone every night. In this case, love-struck describes the behavior typical of new lovers. It's also useful to know similar expressions or synonyms. Words like infatuated, smitten, or enamored convey similar meanings. Each of these can be used to describe the feeling of being deeply attracted or in love with someone, though there might be slight differences in intensity or connotation. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, love struck. We hope you enjoyed this journey through language and love. Remember, idioms like these add richness to your conversations and can help you express emotions more vividly. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful and enjoyable. Stay tuned for more exciting language insights, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Happy learning, and may you all be love-struck in the most beautiful way.